काबिलियत हर जगह मौजूद है. Ensuring accessible quality education across Pakistan. KIPS Education System now launches KIPS Academy.
Building on over 33 years of KIPS Education System's academic excellence, KIPS Academy offers a groundbreaking evening prep program featuring a variety of tuition and skill-driven courses at an economical fee structure. Our goal is to help students achieve outstanding results at the Matric and Intermediate levels while equipping them with essential career-oriented life skills. In today's digital age, these skills open doors to countless opportunities.
At KIPS Academy, we believe that talent and potential exists everywhere. With the right guidance and opportunities, individuals can truly shine. Our accessibility model is designed to minimize geographical and financial barriers, enhancing quality education, accessibility, and creating pathways to success for as many individuals as possible.
Quality education accessibility, backed by the legacy of KIPS Education System. Our centralized system ensures that every student, regardless of location, has access to competitive educational standards. Our commitment to quality assurance guarantees consistent results for all students, coupled with a proven track record of exceptional academic performance year after year. We empower every student to reach their full potential. Geographical accessibility. We recognize that students in underprivileged and remote areas often lack access to quality education due to the lack of premium learning setups in their vicinities. KIPS Academy focuses on opening campuses in these regions within a city and across the country, providing a vital platform for individual as well as national potential. We believe that potential exists everywhere, and our mission is to unlock it. Financial accessibility. Our affordable fee structure for evening tuition and certification programs ensures that financial constraints do not hinder access to quality education. KIPS Academy brings peace of mind to students and families, allowing them to pursue their academic goals without undue stress.
अब उभरेगी काबिलियत, शहर शहर, नगर नगर.
KIPS Academy aims to offer rewarding choices to a broader segment of Pakistani youth. We nurture potential, enhance skills, and empower students to excel under the guidance of experienced educators. Our program spans from Class 8th to Matric, 9th and 10th, and Intermediate, 1st and 2nd year, along with Start Early skills-based short courses and certifications for in-demand careers. Unlike many others, KIPS Academy starts supporting students in Class 8th, building a solid foundation for their upcoming Matric and Inter-Board exams, where achieving top grades is a critical milestone for their successful career.
Additionally, KIPS Academy's Start Early Skills initiative is a valuable addition aimed at enhancing employability and increasing earning potential for youth through a range of short courses and certifications. As part of KIPS Education System's commitment to spreading quality education across Pakistan, KIPS Academy is open for franchise partnerships, expanding our reach from busy urban centers to remote towns and far-flung terrains. काबिलियत हर जगह मौजूद है, और जब तजर्बा साथ मिल जाए, तो कामयाबी सबके लिए. With a blend of evening prep classes and modern skill-based courses, KIPS Academy paves the way for successful career paths. Supported by KIPS Education System's unparalleled expertise and proven methodologies, KIPS Academy is the preferred choice for students eager to excel through high-quality, affordable education. KIPS Academy, कामयाबी सबकी पहुंच में.
Franchise opportunity available. To apply for KIPS Academy's franchise, you may opt for any of the following channels. Scan QR code to connect. Call at our helpline +92 346 0037 929. Visit our website qb-franchising.com. or meet us at Quality Brands Private Limited Office, 5/6, D1, 𝗂𝗂𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗄𝗧, Johor Town, Lahore, Pakistan.
Join the success legacy and get unparalleled support including project planning and execution, branding and marketing, centralized academic system, professional development, academic and operational processes, community parents engagement, information management system, learning management system, quality assurance.
Let's join hands to spread quality education across Pakistan.